When it comes to premium dive watches, the Garmin Fenix 8 and SUUNTO-Ocean are top contenders. Both promise elite performance, whether you're scaling mountains, diving deep, or logging triathlon sessions. Garmin's Fenix 8 blends advanced fitness tracking, dynamic routing, and dive capabilities, while SUUNTO-Ocean leans into dive precision with robust multi-sport modes and eco-friendly design. Each brings unique strengths: Fenix 8 with endurance features and SUUNTO-Ocean with dive-first focus. Which one truly fits your adventures? Let's break it down and find out. The Garmin Fenix 8 keeps Garmin's signature rugged aesthetic. It looks almost identical to the Fenix 7, but introduces some refined elements, including an optional AMOLED screen and a sleeker, slightly more polished frame. You can upgrade to titanium or sapphire glass for better durability. The Fenix 8 is available in 3 sizes, so whether you prefer something compact or big and bold, Garmin has you covered. The SUUNTO-Ocean, on the other hand, leans towards a more minimalist design. It's lightweight and comfortable for both everyday wear and deep dives. SUUNTO didn't skimp on quality. This watch has sapphire glass, stainless steel construction, and 100% renewable energy manufacturing. It looks sleek without sacrificing toughness, making it appealing to divers and athletes alike. Both watches offer AMOLED displays, which make them vibrant and easy to read underwater and in bright sunlight. Garmin's Fenix 8 includes the option for a memory and pixel solar-powered screen, extending battery life during outdoor activities. SUUNTO's OLED display, however, stands out for its clarity and smooth user interface, even in deep waters. The SUUNTO-Ocean offers customizable alarms and haptic feedback during dives, while Garmin focuses on a widget-based navigation system for easy access to apps and stats. If you're an outdoor athlete who loves tinkering with widgets and apps, Garmin's setup feels right at home. But if you prefer simplicity and fluid operation, especially during technical dives, SUUNTO-Ocean might be the winner. Here's where things get really interesting. Garmin's Fenix 8 pulls from their popular Descent series, offering waterproofing and dive capabilities down to 40 meters. It's a full-on dive computer with modes like air, nitrox, and apnea, perfect for both casual scuba divers and free divers. If you're only diving occasionally but still want a serious adventure watch, this could be the one. But when it comes to dedicated diving, the SUUNTO-Ocean goes even deeper. It supports single and multi-gas dives up to 5 different gases, comes with SUUNTO's own Buhlmann 16GF algorithm, and connects with the SUUNTO Tank Pod, allowing you to monitor tank pressure, gas consumption, and remaining gas time directly from your wrist. Plus, its large AMOLED display makes critical dive information easily visible, and customizable alarms help you stay safe underwater. For those focused on more technical diving, the SUUNTO-Ocean might edge out the Fenix 8 here. Both the Garmin Fenix 8 and SUUNTO-Ocean are packed with features for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. Garmin offers advanced tools for runners, cyclists, and triathletes, including dynamic routing, endurance tracking, and a barometer for altitude readings. Plus, with Garmin Connect, you get detailed analytics and the ability to sync with platforms like Strava or Spotify for offline music. SUUNTO-Ocean doesn't just stop at diving. It supports over 95 sports modes, ranging from trail running to yoga, with heart rate monitoring, GPS tracking, and offline maps. SUUNTO's app offers personalized insights with AI coaching and tracks your recovery metrics, making it a solid choice for anyone balancing multiple activities. Battery life is always a major consideration with smartwatches. The Fenix 8's battery life depends on the screen you choose. With the MIP solar display, it can last up to 28 days, while the AMOLED model gives you around 16 days. The solar option even boosts battery life if you're outside for a few hours a day. SUUNTO-Ocean's battery is solid, lasting up to 27 days in standard mode, and around 60 hours with dive features or continuous GPS tracking. It's a reliable option for long trips where you won't have access to a charger. And charging is straightforward, thanks to a magnetic system, while the Fenix 8 keeps things familiar with a USB charging cable. Price-wise, Garmin Fenix 8 comes with a steep price tag, starting at $799 and climbing to over $1,000 for the premium models with solar and titanium upgrades. It's an investment, but Garmin packs in every possible feature for adventurers. The Suunto Ocean, while still pricey, offers competitive value. With its award-winning design and dive-centric features, it sits just below Garmin's high-end range at $899, though prices can increase depending on specific features. If you're more focused on diving but still want a versatile sports watch, Suunto might give you a better bang for your buck. In the end, it comes down to what you're looking for. If you're a triathlete or someone who wants the most complete data for all sorts of fitness tracking and outdoor sports, the Garmin Fenix 8 is packed with features that'll keep you on top of your game. However, if diving is a key part of your lifestyle or you want a watch that's simpler, lightweight, and specialized for the ocean and beyond, the Suunto Ocean could be the perfect fit. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick.